Day 205, meditation on pessimism. It is said in the Buddhist scriptures, the world can appear as friend or foe, full of defects or full of qualities. It all depends on our mind. Generally, there is nothing that has only advantages or only disadvantages. Everything we use, food, clothes, buildings, and so on, and all of the people we live with, family, friends, superiors, inferiors, masters, disciples, and so forth, have both qualities and defects. That is how it is. In order to judge reality correctly, we must acknowledge the good and bad sides for what they are. Happy meditating.